Typefi AutoFit is a free plugin that puts InDesign's auto-sizing options at your fingertips. It enables you to set a maximum width and maximum height so your auto-sizing text frames don't get lost off the page. Typefi AutoFit also enables you to create parent-child relationships between objects so that moving or resizing the parent object also moves or resizes the child object. Say you're working on a document and have a pull quote like this one, and you want to set up auto-sizing for the text frame. With Typefi AutoFit, you can change your auto-size options right inside our panel. First, select the reference point you want, then select the resize option in the drop-down menu. Now, when I paste my content, the text frame automatically resizes based on my settings. AutoFit also enables you to set the maximum height and width of your text frames. In this example, I want my text frame to fill the first column without going outside of it. So using the AutoFit panel, I'm going to set my resize options, especially the maximum width and maximum height, so they match my column limits. Then when I add my content into this frame, the frame was not going to resize outside of that column. The other really powerful feature of AutoFit is the ability to create parent-child relationships between objects. So, to do this, first we're going to select the AutoFit tool from InDesign's Tools panel. And you can use any of the 9 handles of the bounding box as anchor points for your AutoFit relationships. In this case, I'm going to use the bottom center handle as my parent. I'll click and drag out from that handle. And you can see our smart guides in action now. AutoFit automatically snaps to possible anchors as I drag over them, show me where I can set the child for this relationship. In this case, I'm going to use the center point of the image as my child. So release the cursor, and AutoFit will draw a dashed line between my parent and child handles. Now I've already set up auto-sizing on the top text frame. So when I add text to it, the frame is going to go downwards. And the image now moves with it, preserving that space between the objects. But you can see the lower text frame is now overlapping the image. To fix this, I'm going to set the lower text frame as another child object. So select the AutoFit tool again, click the child handle to set up that new parent, and then drag out to another frame handle to create that parent-child relationship. So now when I add content to the upper frame, the image and the lower frame will move down and resize in perfect harmony. Typefi AutoFit is completely free. Download it today from typefi.com/AutoFit.